this is Allison Kira with Allison Kira Organizing, and I don't know about any of you, but there's been times in my life where I've sort of woken up and kind of taken a look around at my life and gone, my God, how did I get here? And now I realize it's because I stopped using one of the superpowers that we as humans have. And what is that? So, how is awareness a superpower, you're asking? Well, when you become aware of what you have, what you need, what you want, and what you like, that all helps you make more informed decisions, which in turn helps you make smarter decisions. Also, once you become aware of all of that information, you recognize clutter in your house and in your life really quickly, which helps you reduce depression and anxiety by getting all that yucky clutter out of your life. Also, it helps you from keeping repeated mistakes. And the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. In order to get the most out of this superpower, it's really important to first take a look. Take a look at everything that you've surrounded yourself with in your life up until now, right? That's going to give you so much information. So say you're doing this with your wardrobe, right? You're going to want to pull everything out, right? Put them in categories, because when you see that you have 5 pair of pants and 2 sweatshirts and 16 pairs of shoes, you're going to be able to gather a bunch of information so that you can use this superpower to the best of your ability and come out with only surrounding yourself with the things that boost you up and make your life magical. So step 2 in awakening your superpower of awareness is to get in touch with your feelings. Yeah, this is the harder part, especially if you're not used to dealing with that. But you have to ask yourself, do you like it, need it, use it, want it? And how does it make you feel? Because if you are surrounding yourself with a bunch of stuff that makes you feel stupid, useless, disorganized, guilty, sad, stressed, or worse, nothing, how do you expect your life to go? Do you think it's going to get better when you keep bringing in stuff that makes you feel horrible about yourself? More power to you if you can figure out a way to do that. But most of us really start thriving when we only choose to surround ourselves with the items and the people and the objects and the opportunities that make us feel happy, capable, smart, anything wonderful like that. If you feel lighter, it's good. If you feel heavy and it's not. So that's how to use your superpower. My name is Allison Kiro with Allison Kiro Organizing. Like, follow. Thanks so much.